Hi there, I'm Mary from Halton Hills Public Library, and today I'd like to show you how to make some really fun pipe cleaner people. They're pretty cool because they're posable. You can make them walk or look like they're walking or standing or sitting with their friends. And I'm just going to show you what you need to make them. You need 2 pipe cleaners. You need 10 beads or pony beads. You can see I've chosen to do mine in 2 different colors. And you need 8 pieces of drinking straw. So same thing, I've chosen to do them in 2 different colors. The straw pieces are best to be about 1 centimeter to 1.5 centimeters in length. These are going to be the clothing for your pipe cleaner person. So the leg pieces are better about 1.25 centimeters long, and the arm pieces about 1 centimeter long. And what you're going to do first is take your 2 pipe cleaners and line them up, and then take 1 bead and thread it over both pipe cleaners. And you're going to go to less than halfway. As you can see, these ends are not as long as these ends are. All right, in total, I'm going to thread 5 beads on here. So I'm going to do 2, 3, 4. Oops. It's just tricky getting the 2 ends through the bead together. Once they're lined up, it's very easy. The beads are large enough for the pipe cleaners to slide through, no problem. Now you can see my beads have slid up a little bit, so I'm just going to tighten them a bit. And now I'm going to separate these 2 pieces of the pipe cleaner. These are going to be his legs. So the first thing he needs for his legs are some pants. So I'm going to put on 1 piece of straw, and then 1 bead, that's his knee. And then I'm going to take the end of this pipe cleaner and I'm going to fold it up so that it's below the bead. And then the next piece of straw is going to cover that end. And then I'm going to fold his foot. There we go, he's got 1 leg. Now he needs the other, so same thing. A piece of straw, a bead, a piece of straw. No, sorry, fold it to below the bead, and now the piece of straw, and fold it. Okay, so now he's got 2 legs and a body, but he needs arms. So what you're going to do is bend both of these down, but those arms are way too long. So you want to sort of guess around the height of the knee, bend that, and bend it nice and tight, up. And then the other one, again, around about the height of the knee bead, fold that and bend it up like that. Now we're going to do his arms. Same as the legs. 1 piece of straw, whoops, 1 bead, a 2nd piece of straw. Sorry, I just chose to put the longer ones separate instead of too long and too short. And now the other arm, a piece of straw, a bead. I'm just choosing which ones I like best to put on when. I hadn't folded that tightly enough, so I just had to squeeze it a little tighter right then. But he's got elbows and the rest of his sleeve, and folding the end, he now has arms. Now he needs a collar for his shirt. So over the top 2 ends, they no longer line up perfectly, but it's not a big deal. I can still fit 1 pipe cleaner over the top of this one, and the second one, slide it down. Okay, there's the neck, but he doesn't have a head. All I need to do for the head is take this and bend it and poke it back into the bead beside the other pieces, and then take this one and bend it and poke it into the bead. Whoops, that part's probably the trickiest part, is just getting these to bend nicely, because now those 2 loops make his head, and there is my pipe cleaner friend. And I can make him stand, look like he's running. I might want to prop him up on some things. I can bend his arms. I can bend his legs. And there he is. I hope you get to make a pipe cleaner person. It's a lot of fun.